Hi friends, my name is Rajiv and welcome to my YouTube channel Learn with Tojo. Friends, we will discuss today on a very important topic, India's performance in Olympic Games. Not only in Tokyo but also all-time performance in Olympics. I am very confident that this video will be very helpful for you. Before jump to the next section, I request you to subscribe my channel if you have not done it previously and press the bell icon to get notification on my upcoming videos. Let's start the video. So Olympic Games 2020 or 2021, you may face some confusion around it. At first I will clear this confusion. Actually Olympic was scheduled to be happened in 2020, but due to COVID pandemic it was postponed for 1 year and happened in 2021. So Olympic Games name will be same as per its original schedule, but that is 2020, but it was happened actually in 2021. So let's start the discussion. So date of Olympic 23rd July to 8 August 2021. Host city Tokyo. Motto of Tokyo Olympic, united by emotion. Nations participated 205, events 339 in 33 sports. Previous Olympic Rio 2016, next Olympic Paris 2024. Indian flag bearers, important question may come from here. Important Indian flag bearers for opening procession were Mary Kom and Manpreet Singh. So Mary Kom is Indian boxer and Manpreet Singh is the captain of Indian men's hockey team. And Indian flag bearer for closing procession or closing ceremony was Bajrang Punia, who is a wrestler, Indian wrestler. Indian competitors 126 in number who were participated in 18 sports. Out of this 126, 70 were men and 56 were women. Medal won by India, total 7 numbers, 1 gold, 2 silver and 4 bronze. India's rank in medal tally 48th. 48th was the rank of India in medal tally. Let's go to the next section. This section is about medal and medalist. So here you will see the top 10 medalist country who has won maximum medal in Olympic. So USA is leading the tally with 39 gold, 41 silver and 33 bronze, total 113 medal. China is in second position with 38 gold, 32 silver and 18 bronze, total 88 medals. Japan, the host country, is in third position with 27 gold, 14 silver and 17 bronze, total 58 medals. From 4 to 10 countries are Great Britain, ROC, Australia, Netherlands, France, Germany and Italy. Next we will discuss on India's performance in this 2020 Summer Olympics. So India has won 7 medals, 1 gold, 2 silver and 4 bronze. Let's see who has won medals for India. So Neeraj Chopra won gold for India in men's javelin throw category. India has won 2 silver, one won by Mirabai Chanu in weightlifting women's 49 kg and one won by Ravi Kumar Dahiya in wrestling men's freestyle 57 kg. India has won 4 bronze. PV Sindhu in badminton women's singles, Lavlina Borgohain in boxing, Bajrang Punia in wrestling and Indian men's hockey team. So one point need to note here, Indian men's hockey team won medal after 1980, approx 41 years. In 1980 India has won gold medal and this time it is bronze. Let's go to the next section. and this section is all about India's all-time performance in Olympic. So we will discuss who were the first Indian, so first medal or first individual medal won by Norman Pritchard in 1900 Paris Olympic. He has won 2 silver medal. First individual medal after independence won by Kadi Jadhav in 1952 Helsinki Olympic, bronze medal in wrestling. First gold medal Indian men's field hockey team in 1928 Amsterdam Olympic. First gold medal after independence men's hockey team in 1948 London Olympic. First individual gold medal won by Abhinav Bindra in 2008 Beijing Olympic shooting category. First individual multiple medals before independence Norman Pritchard, who has won 2 silver medal in athletics, and after independence Sushil Kumar, who has won 1 bronze and 1 silver in Beijing and London Olympic in wrestling. First women medalist Karnam Malleswari, who has won bronze in weightlifting in 2000 Sydney Olympic. First woman who has won multiple medals PV Sindhu, who has won 2 medals, one in Rio silver medal in 2016, and in Tokyo 2020 she has won bronze medal in badminton. If we talk about medals by sports, so India has won total 35 medals till date in Olympic, 10 gold, 9 silver and 16 bronze. Out of this 10 gold, 8 gold won by Indian hockey team, and 2 individual gold medal are there, one won by Abhinav Bindra in shooting in 2008, and this one in athletics won by Neeraj Chopra in javelin throw in 2020 Tokyo Olympic. If we talk about total medal, out of this 35 medal, 12 medal won by Indian field hockey team, 4 in shooting, 3 in athletics, 7 in wrestling, 3 in badminton, 2 in weightlifting. If we talk about this badminton part, so out of this 3, 2 won by PV Sindhu, 1 silver and 1 bronze, and 1 bronze won by Saina Nehwal. Weightlifting, there are 2 medals, 1 bronze won by Karnam Malleswari and 1 silver won by Mirabai Chanu in 2020 Tokyo Olympic. There are 3 medals in boxing and 1 in tennis. So this tennis medal won by Leander Paes in 1996 Atlanta Olympic. Let's discuss about multiple medalists in individual sports. So Norman Pritchard won 2 medals in athletics, Sushil Kumar won 2 medals in wrestling, Sushil Kumar won 1 silver and 1 bronze, and PV Sindhu also won 1 silver and 1 bronze in badminton category. PV Sindhu won silver in 2016 and bronze in 2020 Tokyo Olympic. So thanks for watching the video. Please like the video and share with your friends and relatives. Kindly subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon to get update on our upcoming and latest videos. Thank you.